Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends. Today I'm here not to share a recipe with you, but to share a little bit of my emotions. Tomorrow is my grandson's birthday and we were all planned to be for his birthday this year, but because of the corona we are not able to make it. But so what? If I can celebrate with him, I will try to have fun and celebrate his birthday and do a little bit of fun with Meher's Fun Cuisine with my YouTube family. And so I baked a small cake, and let's get started. So this is a small cake I baked, and now I'm going to decorate it with you guys and have fun. As I told you, I love baking, but icing is not my job. But so I'm going to make a double cake. I'm going to cut it. I hope it turns out really good and nice. So I did cut it like this, and now I'm going to dab some water. You can do it with milk as well. This is whipped cream frosting. I hope it turns out really nice. He'll be so excited. Those who have experienced grandkids, you know how they are a bundle of joy. They're small little things, but they occupy the largest place in your heart. I haven't seen him for 9 months. It's okay. We'll meet inshallah with all the happiness again, inshallah, God willing. I'm going to cover this with frosting. One thing I'd like to share with everybody, we should always try to celebrate every little happiness that is from God, and whatever we have, with whatever means we have, with whatever times we have. All days are not the same. Sometimes we have ups and downs, but we should be celebrating everything and thanking God. By celebrating, it's not for our happiness, it's also a way to thank God. Oh God, you have given me this day. I have to enjoy this. Life is too short. So, see, I'm having fun with this. I know I'm not perfect, but you guys are having fun too. Tell me yes or no. This is just a rough cake. I'm trying. These are full of emotions, and I know my grandson is going to love it. And one request, please, tomorrow is his birthday on the 14th of August. Please wish him happy birthday on my channel, YouTube channel. So that way I'll feel that I have done something for him. But the cake with the frosting to the best of my effort, and this is my best for baking. Now I am going to use his favorite color, that is blue. Oh, by the way, did I tell you my grandchild's name? His name is Bilal. Cute little boy, very cute, my favorite. For the celebration. And hope you guys are all enjoying. And here you can learn what you can always try something, whether you know or not, and one day you can be a master. Let's see. I'm not sure how it's going to be. So, okay, how should I start with? Not bad. Not bad at all. How do you like this, Bilal? I need your comments too. Okay. Let's sing Happy Birthday to you. So this is an emotional birthday cake for my grandson. Thank you for watching and enjoying them making the cake with me. I know it's not the best, but for me, it's the best. Happy birthday, Bilal. This one is for you. May you have a very, very, very happy birthday with a happy, healthy and long life. And may you be a coolness of your parents' eyes. And so what, Bilal, if I'm not there for your birthday? We are celebrating this birthday with about 500 people on YouTube. I think this is the best. And thank you guys for watching me and having the patience to make this crooked cake with you. Thank you. You guys made my day. Thank you so much.